protect this city for any longer. But anyway, before that, I'm going to introduce my name. Hello everyone, my name is Giovanna Jacqueline, and I'm from Sunodia High School. And do you guys want to know what my story is about? Yeah, my story is the odyssey of a better environment. Yes, why am I using the Odysseys? Because I really love the Odysseys and I always read this book. But anyway, I don't care about that. We must shoot. I'm going to introduce the main character in this story. The story is a main character called Aruna. Yes, Aruna is a college student. Recently got into the university, and that is why her job in here just like protecting the forest, sea. But then suddenly she recently got a bad news. Just like what? Yeah, very many people cutting trees, polluting the sea, and that's bad actually. Actually, in Indonesia that is very bad, right? Because we're not in other countries. But let's just see. What city that got swallowed by rain as well? Even in our capital city, Jakarta, it got swallowed by rain. Yes, even in capital city. Because years ago, Aruna City had been swallowed by rain as well, and that was a disaster. Like she saw very many shelters got swallowed in rain, and very many kids scared by rain actually. And that is why she promised herself that this must never happen again. What did she do? What did she act? She started by collecting her community, collecting her friends, and then she started. Smoky minibus turned into an electric bus, and then school using the solar panels. That was a good start. And then she started reminding herself very many famous cities, like probably Surabaya, Jakarta, and you guys want to know where did she go? She packed her bag and began her journey across through Indonesia. Yes, she go into Bali. Bali is once a famous city that really depends on using the chemicals on the plants. Because why they use the chemicals? Because of course they want the plants grow more faster than before. Because if they're using organic plants, yeah, that's going to take a lot of times. And that is why she started by meeting Mr. Rio. Mr. Rio lived in a small village. And she asked Mr. Rio, why are you using organic plants instead of chemicals now? Do you guys anything change your mind or anything? Or has it made you happier or difficult, mister? Tell me, mister, about it. And then the mister proudly smiled at her and proudly answered, well, we always take care of the city. We always live in the city. And we're doing this not for us, but for our grandchildren, for our futures. And that was the thing that's very important. And then she's like, oh my god, why didn't I think about that? It's about future. It's not about us want to see any of very many beautiful things. Yes, that's why she began and then she goes into the boat, catching some fish with Mr. Newbie. He was a fisherman. And then in the sea, she said to Mr. Newbie, Mr. Newbie, I heard about the news in other countries. Very many people in there using bomb instead of net. Why are you using net instead of bomb? Because it makes you not more difficult, right? If you guys using bombs. But then Mr. Newbie said, okay, if you guys using bombs, very many fish get dead, and then the sea is going to get polluted as well. If that's happened, that's not going to happen anyway. Because this sea is our home. It's our job. We as a fisherman want to protect this like our family as well. We doesn't want to get lost, right? And then she started to think again. Of course, that's just like how it was. Probably in the mountains, no kids is going to study at night because it's going to be so dark, right? But then she go into the mountain again. Okay, mountain is Bali, probably very nice, right? Like she goes into the mountain and then she saw students already studying microhydro plants. And that was a very good start that they doing in Bali. How about if they already do it into another city? That's going to make it more good, right? But then she started to see it again. Right. If this already happened in this city, let's go into like another city. Like probably we started doing this in Kalimantan or maybe in Sumatra. It's like very many things. And you guys want to know what did she do? Yeah. Finally, her journey is began to make something that really impressive. She stand in the Global Climate Conference. Yeah, if you guys want to know Global Climate Conference, it's not someone who can achieve so easily. It's like, yeah, if you go into Global Climate Conference, it's very hard because people in there is so famous. It's like she was a college student, she doesn't know anything, doesn't know everywhere, but she stands in there proudly smiling. We must protect it. And then she begin to retelling her stories. She tells her story, her journey across Indonesia, just like how it happens. If someone polluting the seas, it's going to get swallowed by rains again, and that was bad. Everyone cutting the trees, everyone. It's like global warming, and that was bad. What if we combine like wind turbine using a technology? That was more good, right? We could get more like energy or something like that. Like probably like biomass. We could get free gas. That's how it was. But then she started to talk about herself. Okay, I guess nobody's going to clap about it because it's like a disaster coming from college students. But then the room finally filled with applause. Eventually, very many journalists started to ask her so many questions, but she just answered calmly with her community and friends. But from then on, slowly, many cities begin to change. Many cities start to using solar panels, like probably in their boat, and then the schools using solar panels as well teach their students how is it important to using something like that. And then she know step by step. Yes, that's how it was. She began with her community, start to cross her journey, start to Indonesian, and then start to teach them everything that she can do. And then she finally wrote her journals. Yes, this is how it was. This is the very important thing. Eventually, if she only a student, she could never reach this far. But eventually, she started to say that this is what works. This she showed to every country, every city in Indonesia that she was worth about that. That this must never happen again, that no environmental pollution. And then that's all from me. I hope you guys don't take it very serious because yeah, I make it by myself, and that's all from me. Thank you all. Bye bye.